Okay, in this video, we are going to go over an example and just talk about the process on how to multiply mixed numbers and then put our answer in simplest form. So the question we have is 2 4/5 times 4 1/16. The first thing that we need to do when we multiply fractions, and particularly mixed numbers, is we have to turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So we do that doing the following. We take 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 4. That gives us 14. And we keep the denominator. So 2 4/5 is equivalent to 14/5. 14 over 5. And on our second fraction, we have 16 times 4, okay, which is 64, plus 1 gives us 65 over 16. Now, in class, we went over how to cross simplify or cross reduce. In this particular fraction problem, that strategy works perfectly. So we look at the 5 and the 65 and we ask ourselves, what's the greatest common factor between 5 and 65? Well, that's 5. 5 can go into 5 and 65. So we take 5, divide it by 5, and we get 1. And we take 65 divided by 5, and we get 13. Now, we look to see if we can cross cancel going the other direction. So we're going to look at the 14 and the 16. Well, we know that 14 and 16 are both even numbers, so we can divide them both by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. And now we are ready to multiply our numerators and multiply our denominators. So we take 7 times 13, and that gives us 91. And we take 1 times 8, which of course is 8. So we have 91/8. Okay. At this time, we know that we can't leave any answer as an improper fraction. So we have to ask ourselves, how many 8s go into 91? Well, we know that 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. Okay, so we know that it goes in there 11 times. And 11 times 8 is 88. 91 minus 88 is 3. So we have a remainder of 3. So our final answer is 11 3/8. Thanks for taking time to watch this video on multiplying mixed fractions.